In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost listings on Facebook Marketplace with an easy guide for 2025. Whether you're selling everything from furniture to tech gadgets, boosting your listings can significantly increase their visibility and ultimately your chances of making a sale. Let's dive in and get your listings noticed. First things first, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that. This might seem basic, but it's an essential first step to accessing all the marketplace features we're about to explore. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage. You'll see several menu options, and you're going to want to click on Marketplace. This feature is designed for buying and selling goods locally and gives you access to a wide audience right in your community. Once you're in the marketplace, your next step is to click on Selling. This area is where you'll manage all the items you've listed on Marketplace. You can view your active listings, see messages from interested buyers, and monitor your sales progress. From this section, you're poised to make strategic moves, including boosting your listings. Now that you're in the Selling section, you'll see a button called Promote Now. Click on this, and you'll find the option to select a price for promoting or boosting your listing. Boosting involves paying a fee to Facebook to ensure your listing appears more prominently in people's feeds. It's an investment, but if used wisely, it can increase your reach significantly. You can choose from various pricing options that suit your budget and advertising needs. After choosing your promotion strategy, you'll need to set up your payment method if you haven't already. Click on Add to enter your payment details. Don't worry, Facebook securely handles your information, allowing you to pay for your promotion without hassle. Ensure your payment method is active to avoid any delays or issues in boosting your listing. Once your payment method is ready, click on Next to proceed. This will bring you to a page where you can review all your promotion details. Make sure everything looks good before you finalize it. The last step is completing your information and hitting Publish. This is where you review your ad details, confirm the duration, pricing, and target audience settings you've selected. Double-check everything to ensure your promotion goes off without a hitch. Congratulations, you've successfully boosted your listing on Facebook Marketplace. With this newfound visibility, your items stand a much better chance of selling quickly to the right audience. Remember, regularly review your strategy and adapt as needed for the best results. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in making your marketplace listing